Okay, the first paper made by Anita Novianti, peran Kenip pada masa awal kemerdekaan Indonesia tahun 1945-1949. I think it is what is contradict about your title because you said in the early revolution, but in the period you write from 1945 until 1949. So I think the role of KNIP not only in the early revolution but also in the time of revolution. Okay, it is firstly about your people. I think it is also the interesting title of the people. So please you analysis how the role of KNIP firstly should be also explaining about the change of KNIP role in the early revolution. As we know that KNIP in the early revolution as the executive body, but in November, the last October and November 1945, this body was changed from executive body to the legislative body as the parliament in Indonesia. So I think it is very important to analysis, and also you should explain in the people how the political dynamic of the KNIP in the time of revolution, especially in endorsement of the result of agreement between the Indonesian government and the Dutch government. For example, how KNIP members what is agreed or not agreed with the Linggajati agreement. How the KNIP also what is criticized about the Renville agreement, and how also KNIP members what is criticized to other government led by a prime minister in the time of Revolution Indonesia. I think it is the very critical and very important about the role of KNIP in the time of Indonesian Revolution. Please also, Anita Novianti, you should be referred to many historical sources who important and related to the role of KNIP in the time of revolution. I think the books of George McTurnan Cahin, and then of course Ben Anderson, Anthony Reid, and also particularly book or article in the journal related to the role of KNIP. I think it is very important for you to refer in order you people is become the good people, the perfect people, and should be available to be published in the scholarly journal. Okay, it is my comment, my review related to the papers made in by Anita Novianti. Secondly is the papers written by M. Parhan Chohan. Oke, Palagan Ambarawa 20 November hingga 15 Desember 1945. I think it is also people regarding the time of early Indonesian Revolution. So I think it is also very interesting topic. Please, Farhan, you should be elaborate, should be explain about how the what is the battle in the Ambarawa area in Central Java. In this case, is very interesting the dilemma of the young people, young generation of Indonesia. In one hand, want to be aggression or war with the early troop, the British and the Dutch administration in one hand, and the other hand also patching with the diplomatic policy from the government, especially from the Sultan Syahrir as a prime minister government in the time. So I think it should be also explaining in your paper, especially the dilemma between war or aggression in one hand and diplomatic matters in others, so that the battle in Ambarawa area is what is a very critical event in the early revolution. In this event, in the Battle of Ambarawa also, I think it is very important about the figure of the Sudirman Young, the young Sudirman, in which this figure will become the important figure, the prominent figure, and then become the commander-in-chief of the Indonesian National Army. So should be explaining in your paper, should be analysis why the young Sudirman in the time succeed in battle in Ambarawa area against the early troops, the British and the Dutch government, so that the role of Sudirman in this event is very important, and it will become the good prestige, good image for him, also for Indonesian army in the time of revolution. Okay, about your people, M. Farhan Johan, I think the article in the journal and the book related to the Palagan Ambarawa, related to the battle in the Ambarawa area should be referred. Of course, the classic book, the standard book, for example, from Kahin, from Ben Anderson. Also, you should search about the book related to the role of General Sudirman figure. I think the book of Salim Said, his dissertation regarding the political role of General Sudirman in the time of revolution also should be referred in your paper. Okay, I think it is my comment for M. Farhan Johan. Next is the paper made in by Nur Insani Melawati about the Pertempuran Surabaya. I think it is also very interesting, similar with the Farhan Johan. I think the battle in Surabaya is the turning point in the time of revolution, whether or not this Indonesian independence should be maintaining by the aggression in one hand or by diplomatic action. So the time between bertempur atau berunding, I think it is what is a starting point with the Surabaya battles. So according to government, in this case is Prime Minister Sultan Syahrir, I think the Surabaya battles is showing that what is the young Indonesian people cannot win in the war against the early troops, against to Dutch government. Because of that, according to government, I think it is better for Indonesian government should be what is issuing the policy about the diplomacy, about the negotiation with the British, with the Dutch government, so that there is no war, no aggression against the British, against the what is the Dutch government. However, the Surabaya battle is very important in our modern history. So please Nur Insani Melawati should be analyzed, should be explained how and why the battle in Surabaya is, I think it is the big war, the big battle, against the British. How the process of what is battle, and then of course how also the implication about this battle in Surabaya and became the political debating in national level between political elite in Indonesia should be choose what the method of struggle for maintaining the Indonesian independence between the diplomatic action and or a struggle, bertempur or berunding. I think starting point from the Surabaya battle. Of course, the what is reference from the journals, from the books, also very important for Nur Insani Melawati related to the Surabaya battle. Please you search, you find out about these historical sources and should be relevant with your topic. Okay, next, Viola Amelianda Prativi Peoples related to the pertempuran Medan area. I think it is similar with Surabaya battle, with Ambarawa battle, but it is in Medan, in North Sumatra. It is also to show that the struggle of Indonesian independence not only occur in Java, but also in other area, in Sumatra, in Sulawesi, in Kalimantan, in East Indonesian area, and so on. If we read about the Anthony Reid book, the Indonesian National Revolution, show that Indonesian National Revolution not only in Java, but also in whole Indonesian area, including in Sumatra. So I think it is the good topic. Please, Viola, you should be analysis how and why the what is a battle in the Medan area, and then how also the process, how also the ending of this event, so that what is we can understand about this event in North Sumatra in the time of revolution. Of course, also about the what is reference related to this topic should be used the currently articles from the journal and also books. What is should be relevant with your topic. And then the next peoples from Yuli Yulianti, I think it is the local history. Good title, how the Indonesian Revolution in Purwakarta, West Java, from 1945 until 1948. I think what is better for Yuli Yulianti, you read the John R. Smile books, Bandung in the Early Revolution, for comparison, how to analysis of the local history in the context of Bandung in the early revolution. You also can make your people how Purwakarta in the time of revolution, the political dynamic, the social economic dynamic in that area in the time of revolution. I think what is reference or sources related to this event also should be searched from article from the journal and the book. And as we know that the historical sources related to the local history is what is very limited. But if you can analyze and explaining about this topic, I think it will become the interesting topic and interesting people. Okay, the last is the Robiana peoples. I don't know what your title, and you didn't reply also my chatting in the WhatsApp, so I cannot comment about your people. Okay, finally, I would like to inform you that all pool people should be sending to my email in suciandi@up.edu 2 weeks after I have revised, I have commented your people in this moment. So 2 weeks after this moment, you must make the pool people, and then please you send your pool people to my email. Okay, do you understand? So sorry. This in this time there's no what is ask and answer question, because this is just a short video related my review, my comment to your people. Thank you very much, and we will meet again in the next meeting. We'll revise or comment with other peoples. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.